What is going on, my fellow man and woman, whoever's watching this video today? Yes, we made 3 videos today. I'm probably only going to drop 2, leave one for tomorrow. Um, but today is April, what, 3rd, I want to say? Today's April 3rd, yeah. And we've been doing some unboxings today. We unboxed these gold foils. We unboxed 1921D Morgan Dollar. Now we're going to unbox this. And I am absolutely, I think I know what this is, and I'm excited for it for sure. I honestly, I have so much stuff coming in usually. I don't know. And it's not that I'm rich. It's just that I find really good deals and it's hard to pass it up. I actually work a lot of hours for a minimum wage, not a minimum wage, but minimal effort job. So with that being said, it's just a lot of hours put in because anybody can do my job, that's for sure. Anyone straight out of high school can come in and do my job. We just work crazy amount of hours. And when you work a crazy amount of hours, you tend to have a lot of money. And not a lot of money, but enough money to do. Golly, they really packaged this. I will say that. I want you to know gold is still at an all-time high, 3100s. And so what did we do whenever gold's at a 3100s? We go online. Should have just went to our normal bullion dealer, but he usually is sold out of these whenever I go in to ask him. He usually only has half ounce. And I only wanted, that's right, 1/10 ounce Gold Eagle. Look at that. That's absolutely beautiful. And if I give me 2 seconds to put my gloves on, and we'll take a closer look where the light ain't beaming all over it, where you can't see it. You know what I mean? But while I get my gloves on, hey guys, what are you guys getting into this weekend? Like I think I asked you that in the other video. Leave it down in the comment section. And also leave down in the comment section what you would like to see given away at 500 subscribers. I have a video that you can go find on my page that I put out, I think it was like 2 days ago. And I had a bunch of stuff that I was like, should I give away this? Should I give away this? Should I give away this? And whatever I don't give away at the 500 is getting given away at the 1000. So we'll get this bad girl out of here. I might have to take my gloves off for a second. See? 1/10 ounce American Eagle. Absolute beauty. 2025, if you can't see that, it's right there. Ooh, give me a second. No, actually, take this glove off and zoom in a little bit for you. Oh, look, there's SpongeBob a little bit too happy for you. Happy, happy, happy. That's absolutely beautiful. And if you guys know, these are not 24 karat. These $5 coins are not 24 karat. These are 22 karat. They're not like these bad boys right here, the Philharmonics that are 24 karat, or like these bad boys right here that are 24 karat. These are only 22 karat, but you get some silver with them. So that's pretty cool. You know? What do you guys think? Was this a bad buy in the times that we're in right now? Actually, we'll capsulate this one as well. Was it? Was it a terrible buy? Well, we'll capsulate it later. I don't feel like walking off on you guys like I do sometimes. Because I don't think it was. I think if you're invested in gold, it's because you think it's going to go somewhere. Because everybody knows you stack silver and you hold gold. You know? A king doesn't give away all his gold, but a king will trade his gold for silver. Absolutely, every time. At least in my opinion. I could be totally wrong. But I've seen it over, I think we've all seen it, over generation after generation after generation, that the kings always like to keep their gold. Yes, they like their silver too, but they'll definitely trade in the silver for some gold. That's why the ratio today is 94-1. That's astounding to me whenever we were sitting at 91-1 the other day. I mean, it's better than the 104 we were sitting at a couple years ago, but or maybe even last year. I don't know. It's silver and gold have just been doing some crazy things over the last year. Well, actually, just in the last few months. At the ending of last year, yes, they were doing some pretty crazy things, but mainly gold. I mean, they say silver is keeping up with it, but it hasn't seen an all-time high like back with the Hunts brothers manipulated the market. It hasn't seen an all-time high like that in years. And yeah, we can assume that it's from the central banks keeping it suppressed and them trying to hoarder it down so that on purpose. We can assume that. But do we really know? Do we really know at the end of the day what it is that they're doing? I don't think we do. We only know what they tell us. And we have a tendency to believe what they tell us. Did you guys check out my other video? Did you see this one? Did you see this? That Korea Liberty dollar? Did you see that? Absolutely beautiful. The 38th anniversary. Got a steal on that one. I mean, in my eyes, it was a steal. Anything's a steal for me. No, I'm kidding. You guys seen my deal that I got on that Morgan dollar. What did you think about that? That's pretty much melt. And those don't sell for melt. What do you guys think of this 1963? I think it's gorgeous. But that's really all I got for you today. I was just going on and showing you what I got in my stack. Hope you guys have a very, very great day. Peace.